Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. So today I would like to tell you that I said on camera I need a job. So I got a job offer and I went to give my interview, and in the interview I have been selected. But my salary is very low. That's why I am thinking that I will get the job or not. So guys, in this field, I have experienced that whatever I am doing right now, I should continue this because my duty time is 12 hours, 10 to 8. That I don't like because I don't have time to make videos by day. I have time at night, but I need to sleep at night because next day again I have to go to my workplace. Means I have to go to do my job. So one day I have to stay in the office and I will note the all day. So it is just waste of time and I will note my work. So that's why I don't want to lose my work because this is the main work for me. So guys, I have experienced that if I do the job, so one day I have to stay in the office and at night I will come back home, and then after eating I have to take rest for sleeping, okay, and next day again I have to attend the show because I got a job offer that I have to stay in medicine show. I don't have time much by day, so that's why I am worried because I want to make videos and I want to do any jobs, any types of jobs if there is 8 to 9 hours duty. These types of job I will accept, and these types of job I was looking for. So unfortunately that types of job I got, but in the work I am not interested. Again I got a job offer, but there I have to work 12 hours. It is not possible. So that's why I am thinking to give up the job. So I want to continue making videos because I don't want to give up this knowledge. This knowledge can help me one day, I think. Right now I am learning and I will develop one day, and I will develop this channel one day. So that's why I don't want to give up this, because I would like to say, if you have any knowledge and if you have any talent, so use your talent in your field to do best, and using your knowledge to do best, that you can earn money, because money is necessary to do in our life. Without money we cannot do anything. Money is the most important, okay, because if we want to live in this world, so money is necessary. Money is the most important, okay. So to earn, do something that you can maintain your family, you can maintain that, you can fill your desire, okay. So earn money, don't waste time. If you are free, whatever you have knowledge, use your knowledge and do something to earn money. So I have experienced to look for jobs, okay, and I see in this world there are many unemployments and they are looking for jobs, but they don't get. They feel depressed, like I am feeling now. I need money. That's why I am going here and there to look for any types of job. Okay, and I get jobs, but I am not interested in that. Okay, because I have to save some time to do different something in life. Okay, so guys, that's enough. Again, we will share knowledge in another videos. Thanks for watching.